Greetings everyone. So today we're going to be doing a lesson on Ankh making. And the Ankh is this symbol that looks like this. A lot of people ask about how you make things similar to this, like this, in this fashion. And today I'm going to show you. And in today's lesson, you'll learn how to create the structure of an Ankh. How to sketch it out beforehand if you'd like to. It's not something you have to do, but I'm gonna be showing you the way that I do it. And then as well, you'll be learning how to embed crystals into your Ankh. So that's how I would sketch my Ankh. I'm using square because it's easier to make sharp angles with square wire. So yeah, I'm going around and through the arch. If you would like to view the full video on Ankh making, I want you to go to my website, evrthangel.com. That's earthangel.com, and you'll click on the jewelry making video lessons tab, and that's where you'll find all of my lessons. Once you purchase the video link, it will email you a file that you can download, and then you will just copy and paste the link into your browser to watch the video. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'd love for you to create with me and learn something new.